Hello everybody. Today we're gonna do another unboxing for iselector Wi-Fi smart plug. It's 2-pack in the box and I paid about $10. I think it's pretty good deal if it works fine. And per the instruction, these smart plugs work with Amazon Alexa and also work with Google Home. So let's do the unboxing. This one use the power AC 110 volts to 240 volts. So it can be used worldwide, I believe. And this one used the app called Giro Smart. Work for Android and also iPhone. Inside the small box, this is just a card. This is the menu. This is the menu. And here we go. The two smart plugs. Hopefully it works fine with my Alexa, Amazon Echo Dot, and also I recently bought Google Home Mini. So I will use these smart plugs for controlling my Christmas tree lights, indoor definitely. So I will see how it works, and probably I will give an update. Okay, that's a quick unboxing. Thank you very much. Bye.